Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ittaqullaha fin nisa fa innakum akhtumuhunna bi amanatillah wastalaltum furujahunna bi kalimatillah. Usikum wa nafsi bi taqwallah faqad fazal muttaqun. Zawijuka ala ma amrullahu bihi min imsakin bi ma'ruf aw tasrifin bi ihsan. Ya akhi khairun ni'am yasid angkahtuka wa zawajtuka mahtubataka seperti dingsik pinta sumana almarhum mauliyata ammiha wakili bimahri alfi rupiatan halan qabiltu nikahaha wa tazwijaha bil mahril madhkur. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Barakallahu laka wa baraka alaika wa jama'a bainakuma fi khair. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata a'yun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama waj'alna lil muttaqina imama waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammadin bi qadri subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Sirrul Fatiha.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.